Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for your coming back and watching, and thank you for your comments, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I have my September Allure. In case y'all didn't know, these boxes are going up next month to 23. I did lock mine in for the year, just keep it at the 15, and this box is either before or after. I'm not sure how I'm going to put them up, but I just did the video on my free gifts for doing the yearly box, and watch, because I have something for you all, so please keep watching. So my Allure, which always comes, it looks like this with the magazine on top, and then you open it and then it looks like this. And I got the Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I'm sure I have this, so this will probably go in a giveaway. I'm sure I already have some of these. So let's see, that retails for $24, and it is a full size, I do believe. It looks full size to me. And it's by Wonder Beauty. And then I have, you could get the e.l.f. highlighting brush or a NYX Pro Contour brush, and this one has the e.l.f. It's pretty. I'm gonna try this soon, and this retails for $4. And then we got the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and this is my favorite cleansing balm, and it turns, it's like a butter, and it just, I mean, this stuff, it just, let's see if you can see it, it just like melts in your skin, and it lasts forever. And this has so many beneficial things in it. I like to put this on my skin and let it sit on my skin for at least 2 or 3 minutes. It says this is a deep cleansing balm, and this retails for, the full size retails for $64. And I mean, this is a pretty good size for a sample. So let's see. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all what different people think about it, because that's just their opinion, and y'all probably don't care about their opinion. So again, that was the Elemis, retails for $64 full size. And then I got the the dry conditioner. I've never tried a dry conditioner. I've tried the dry shampoo, but it says conditions dry hair to control frizz, waterless, 3 conditioning levels, paraben free and sulfate free. So there's that. And let's see if there, I don't see, oh, that's on the back. Okay, it shows on the back there's the dry shampoo and the dry conditioner. It doesn't tell a price. It says step 1 is the dry shampoo, and step 2, of course, is the dry conditioner. I might try that. I don't usually like dry shampoos, so I don't know that I would like the dry conditioner, but I might try it because I do have some dry shampoos, so I may try that. And then we have, oh, okay, there is. I thought there was something else. Yeah, there is. Then we have this La Roche 50 broad spectrum SPF 50, and the large one of these retails for $33.50. And I mean, this is obviously a very small one, but it's still a good enough size to see if you're going to like it. Make sure you don't have any reactions or anything to it. And I never get upset about SPFs, because that's something that we all need. And then I got the Twist Up eyeliner in purple, and this retails for $18. And I've never heard of this Cleo Nora, I don't know how you say it, but I was actually wanting a purple. I still have color stuff on me, so there's that. That's a pretty color too. I still have swatches from that box, the free box I just did. So got that. Got the e.l.f. brush, the SPF, the dry conditioner, the LMS, and the Unleashed mascara. So I mean, that's a pretty good box, and next month it's supposed to get even better. So now for what I got for one of you all. And this month I added an account to get the pay for my year, and I decided not to cancel my regular account so that I could give one of you all a box this month. So here is the box for one of you all. Of course, I'm not going to do any of the swatches. Here is the inside, and this one has the NYX brush, and it says the NYX brush actually retails for $14. So this box is actually supposed to retail for more than the one that I already swatched and was the one that I was keeping, but it has all the other things in it that I have. So there is that. And I had decided that I was going to put, let me get this open, this, I know I was going through the free box, and I know for a fact I have this, the Huda in Alluring. This is a beautiful, I just love the Huda, the way they put them in this packaging like this. So I will be adding this to at least this. I'm going to look through the other things and see what else I might have. So this will be going in the free giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So that's going in there. I know that much. So this is going to be one of yours, one of you all's. So I'm trying to think how I'm going to do that. If you leave a comment, I think I'm going to do it, give it 2 or 3 weeks, and just go from this comment, because I have at least 2 other giveaways that I'm going to do soon. So I think I'm going to do it that whoever wins this is going to be the comments in this particular under this video, just for this one. So when I go do the comment picker, just make sure you leave me a comment on this video, because that is, I'm going to pick a comment from this video that to win that particular box. So I'm trying to think of how not to confuse them, because I have, I think, at least 2 more that I'm wanting to start soon, 2 other ones. So I'm trying to think of a way to keep them straight, so I keep them organized somewhat. So sorry to ramble, I'm just trying to think, and Levi's wanting me to come cuddle with him, so I'm trying to think of, make sure I cover everything. Oh, I got a P.O. box. It should be in the description if anybody wanted to send me anything, or send me a letter, or anything. I just was told that it was nice to have one, so if anybody wanted to send any friend mail or anything, I did get a P.O. box. It is in the, it should be in the description below if anybody wanted to check it out and send any kind of, I mean anything, snail mail, it doesn't matter. So I did do that. So thank you all so much for watching. It really, really means so much to me. And I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.